Joanna, Juana, baby. 5 years ago, year 2020, we got married. Pandemic couple pa nga ang tawag sa atin noon since panahon ng COVID tayo nagpakasal.
5 years ago, I stood before you and promised to love you for better or worse, for richer or poorer, in sickness and in health.
Dami na nangyari, but after all this year, my heart still chooses you every day. We've grown, we've stumbled, we've laughed, and we've overcome.
This past 5 years have taught me that love is not just a feeling, but a choice. A choice that I make every day to stand by you, support you, and grow with you.
Wow!
Kevin James at Joanna Marie, manatili kayo sa pagmamahalan at pananagutan sa tanang inyong buhay.
Wild lace, wildflower bouquet, and a dress I can't afford. First man I ever loved, ready to place my hand in yours. And all your eyes fill with tears. I know we've worked so hard to get here. We say for better or worse. And what I mean in those two words is, here's to the nights that we spent crying, the weight of the world hanging on our shoulders. Here's
I
to
look
the
forward
days of
to continuing this beautiful journey
being
with you,
afraid of getting
side by side,
jobs
heart
that
to heart,
came and went, so did
for all the
most
days
our friends.
still to
Felt
come.
like the rain
I love you,
would
Mama.
never quit. But you took my hand and we slow danced through all of it. And that's what love is.
Thank you for being my partner, my best friend, and my
Still
love of my
remember
life.
the first
I
time
choose you now, tomorrow, and all the days that come. I love you more than I did yesterday and less than I will tomorrow. I love you, Daddy Kevin.
left hand in your right, you dance me across the kitchen floor, and
So
oh,
5 years ago, God has entered into the live stream of your married life.
everyone we love is watching, but it feels like it's just me and you singing. Here's to the nights that we spent crying, the weight of the world hanging on our shoulders. Here's to the days of bills unpaid and being afraid of getting older. Jobs they came and went, so did most our friends. Felt like the rain would never quit. But you took my hand and we slow danced through all of it. And that's what love is. Yeah, it's a promise for a lifetime. More than a ring on our finger, it's more than a night in our story. chapter. It's the day of I do and the happily ever after that. So everybody raise your glass. Here's to the nights that we spent crying, the weight of the world hanging on our shoulders. Here's to the days of bills unpaid. God, I can't wait till we grow old and jobs they'll come and go, but we'll always know when the rain won't seem to quit. Darling, take my hand and we'll slow dance through all of it. 'Cause that's what love is.